There's just something about a rainy day in Mississippi. The birds singing, the thunder rolling through the trees, and the sound of rain always brings me peace. I'm a country girl, so sitting outside listening to the rain has always been one of my favorite things. Rain also reminds me of living through Hurricane Katrina. We went without electricity, waited in long gas lines, and learned to appreciate the little things. Ever since then, I never take moments like this for granted. So I'll let you enjoy the rest of this video. Take in the scenery, listen to the rain, and enjoy a few moments of peace. I'm Jennifer with Behind Mississippi, bringing you the people, places, and history that make Mississippi unique.